What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So guys, I want to do some content planning, a plan. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to put on some makeup and take some pictures that I'm going to be using as my reel covers. I just want to do that ahead of time. This intro is becoming too long. Let us go. Remember to give this video a like. You guys, I'm done doing my makeup, so I'm just going to put on some earrings. I'm going to take my picture. So you guys, this is a backdrop that I use when I'm creating my reels as well as my YouTube videos. So I'm going to be taking pictures here, okay, so that it doesn't look too weird. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So yeah, I'm using this phone to take my pictures, okay. I'm using my other phone to record this. So I'm going to be using the back facing camera to snap these pictures. So let's see. I love this one, but it's too, what's the word now? I need to retake it because it's so nice. So you guys, I like this particular picture, can you see it? But I need to retake it. Let me finish. I'm going to get back. You guys can see that I'm already sweating. This content creation work is not easy at all. Guys, real life of a content creator. So my son is back from school. So what does that mean?
School today.
You went to school today. Anyway guys, let me go attend to him and come back to taking our pictures, okay?
Okay.
I protect my energy by engaging in hobbies that nourish my soul, as well as streamlining information that I consume. You guys, let me see if that came out well. Protect my energy by engaging in hobbies that nourish my soul, as well as streamlining information that I consume. But there's one paper that I'm seeing there. We have to take it out. Nothing can. I like that one, but I think I need to redo it again because I don't like that paper that was in the background. Osas, I don't need noise. Tell him to stop making noise. Please, it's just 10 seconds. Stop playing, I'm coming. I protect my energy by engaging in hobbies that nourish my soul, as well as streamlining information that I consume. Who is calling me at such an hour? Thank you, sir. Okay. Customer care that went to heaven. Get out there. So let's see. I protect my energy by engaging in hobbies that nourish my soul, as well as streamlining information that I consume. I think I like this one. Energy, okpa. Can you guys hear me? Energy on point. This place is dark. Yes, let's put it here. Oh my god. You guys, I don't know how to feel low. Like, I don't know how to feel. See, now God hand, everything is in God's hands. When It's your turn. It's your turn. Okay, so let's edit this thing. We good? We good. Hey, on me. People's me. We done did it. We done did it. I need to delete. Let me delete the other ones that I had done earlier on. Wow, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let me just remove them so that we don't go and send no, yeah, that one. We don't go and send the wrong one. No. Okay, hokey dokey, okies.
I protect my energy by engaging in hobbies that nourish my soul, as well as streamlining information that I consume.
As in, this year is already ending on a very high note. I don't know, I can't find my digital vision board, you guys. In fact, when I'm done now, I'm going to sit down and do a video about digital vision board. I know that I put something about YouTube contacting me. I don't know where I put that thing, but I know I created it. And look at God. Look at Jesus. No Godfather. They've taken the light to people. I want to do this our vision board video. No Godfather, no Godmother, no anything. Just Jesus Christ and my phone. My phone. Oh God. Jesus. Oh my God. Let me go to where there's light, you guys. I feel like crying, but I'm not gonna cry. No Godfather, no Godmother, no parapo, nothing. Nothing at all. Just T-Banks and her phone and her big mouth. This big mouth. You guys, I'm just so, I don't even know how to feel. Like, I could have missed this thing. No, I won't lie to you people, because I thought that it was one of these, there's this creators thing that YouTube does that I registered for. So they have like consistent meetings on Google Meet. So I thought it's one of those invitations, because they will send you the invitation like a month ahead. So I just ignored it. Like, I wasn't even in the mood. I didn't care. Do you understand? I just said, I was just lying down on the bed. I'd just gone to drop my auntie's kids, and I was just checking my phone. I just read through. You know how you don't read through? I just read through and I saw send 10 seconds. I'm like, moi et me. So I'm so grateful to YouTube and Google for their platform. God bless them. So you guys, I want to send the video. We are going to see this vlog after this has gone up, okay? And I give glory to Jesus. Okay, I just give glory to Jesus. So let me stop talking, because I have other videos to film. Back to factory settings. Okay, let's keep pushing, because yeah, I'm grateful, but I've not reached my goal. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you. I just wanted to take you guys along with me. I'll see you guys in my video.